Meaning of magnetic strip.
Magnetic strip.
Magnetic strip.
Magnetic strip.
Magnetic strip. A magnetic strip, also known as a magnetic stripe, is a thin strip of magnetic material that is typically used to store information on credit cards, ATM cards, and other similar types of cards. The magnetic strip contains small magnetic particles that can be magnetized in different directions to represent binary data, such as account numbers, cardholder names, and expiration dates. When a magnetic strip is swiped through a card reader, the reader detects the changes in the magnetic field created by the magnetized particles and translates them into digital data that can be used for payment or other purposes.